In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Euro futures as they're experiencing some selling pressure. Euro futures trading lower for a second session. Today we're looking at the futures market down about 0.75% currently, right around the 1.03 level, off the intraday lows, but under some pretty heavy selling pressure here for a second session. And driving factors today, I think there's a few things influencing the market. Equity selling pressure, certainly one of them. I think that that's helping to support the US dollar. We're seeing selling pressure in the equity markets from a global perspective. So I think that's helping support the dollar as well as the Japanese yen, and therefore we're experiencing some selling pressure on some of the other major FX futures markets. Couple that with central bank activity. As again, we continue to digest the central bank decisions that were made last week, and with that, I think that the market continues to look for what might be in place moving in to the first quarter of this year, as we did see the Fed hold and the ECB cut. So that should be, in theory, a headwind for the euro from a short-term perspective. And global trade uncertainty is another factor influencing the market today. Now, looking at the general trends, we're seeing the euro now trading back down towards these 2-week lows, but we're really not too far off from the lowest levels that we did experience in the middle of January, which were better than 2-year lows for the euro. So with this 103 and just below level, we are now moving back down towards the low end of the range for the past month, but it also corresponds with the low end of the range for the past 2+ years. So some pressure here as the euro is experiencing some selling pressure. Other FX futures markets, it's a mixed bag today when you look at the price action. Heavy selling pressure early in the session, but then experience some buying pressure, particularly when you look at the Japanese yen holding a gain today, as well as the British pound reversing and trading higher today. So the British pound, Japanese yen showing some strength, where most of the other major FX futures markets are under some pressure, with the euro experiencing some of the weakest relative strength today as we do trade down towards 2-week lows.